Assalamu alaikum. Hello, how are you all? We are in the month of Ramadan and Ramadan Kareem. Come with us to make a very easy and cold dessert recipe. Let's go. The ingredients are a spoonful of custard powder, a spoon of corn flour, a cup of cold milk, biscuit, condensed milk, thick cream, and any optional fruit. In a saucepan, add the custard powder, corn flour, and cold milk. And stir well. In this step, the milk must be cold to homogenize with the custard starch. Then turn the oven on low heat and stir for 7 to 10 minutes. We wait until it's cooled down a bit. Then add the condensed milk and thick cream. In a small bowl, add a little milk. Take the biscuit, dip them in the milk, and put them in a large bowl as shown in the video. We add the custard mixture, then the biscuit dipped in milk, and so we repeat the layers as desired. And the last layer is the custard mixture. I added strawberries and optional chocolate syrup and put the dessert in the fridge for at least half an hour. Now the dessert is ready to be served.